Well, this morning, almost all abortions are illegal in Idaho, but just hours before the abortion ban was set to take effect, a federal judge put a pause on part of the law.
Certain sections of the law caught the attention of the Biden administration, so they sued the state of Idaho, asking for an injunction.
So this morning, our sister station in Boise is explaining what happened and why.
Idaho's near-total abortion ban says every person who performs or attempts to perform an abortion commits the crime of criminal abortion. It allows for few exceptions in cases of incest or rape reported to law enforcement, or where the doctor determined in good faith an abortion was necessary to prevent the death of the pregnant woman. The U.S. Department of Justice claims that last clause, the death of the pregnant woman, is too narrow and violates the Federal Emergency Medical Treatment and Labor Act, or EMTALA, which requires anyone needing emergency medical treatment get it, including a pregnant woman. The DOJ lawsuit hinges on the fact Idaho's law provides no exception for the health of the mother, only her imminent death. In Wednesday's ruling, U.S. District Judge Lynn Windmill agreed and put a pause on just that part of Idaho's trigger law until the lawsuit runs its course through the courts, meaning an Idaho doctor can perform an abortion if the woman's health is at risk. All other instances, outside rape or incest, will still be illegal.
And of course, this morning, people all over the country are reacting to this decision. The Idaho Democratic Party chair wrote, "I am relieved to see the court take this step to ensure that every Idahoan receives necessary medical care in an emergency, and that every pregnancy is unique, and Idahoans deserve leaders who will protect their freedom." Now, Idaho Republican Representative Megan Blanksma shared her disappointment with the decision, saying, "To protect the lives of as many of these children as possible, the Idaho legislature will pursue all legal means to bring this injunction to an end as quickly as possible." Now, last night, the United States Department of Justice also released a statement. Attorney General Merrick Garland reiterated their argument that Idaho's law violates the Emergency Medical Treatment and Active Labor Act, saying that the Department of Justice will continue to use every tool at its disposal to defend the reproductive rights protected by federal law. Now, as of this morning, again, abortion is still nearly illegal in Idaho. However, the trigger law pause will be in effect until a permanent judgment is issued. The new Idaho abortion law is the first time in nearly 50 years that almost all abortions in Idaho are now illegal.